2022 saw YouTube automation become one of the best ways to make money online. Thousands of people, including myself, are building out portfolios of YouTube channels that will pay them money each month for years to come. With that said, I've started seeing some changes that are limiting monetization and making things more difficult in some niches. So if you want to make money on YouTube with YouTube automation in 2023 and have them generating money for the long term, then you need to watch this video. YouTube, like many platforms, is starting to censor content more and more. The rise and fall of people like Andrew Tate and intensifying oversight of governments means what's allowed is rapidly changing, and those changes won't always be fair or balanced. We now live in a reactive online world, which makes things more unpredictable. For that reason, if you want to make money in the long term and grow massive channels as a business, then you need to learn to play the game and pick niches that won't be easily affected. Take, for example, one of my channels that targets men, relationships, and psychology. This channel is nothing like Andrew Tate, but when YouTube makes a decision to remove someone that influential in an effort to restrict similar content spreading, they often overreact, which has a knock-on effect in all content in that niche. This normally starts with videos getting demonetized or age restricted. I've had a number of videos that were generating a ton of views for months, one of which was getting 15,000 views per day and was close to 500,000 total views. All I did was mention the topic of sex in the video, and even though there was no graphic images or even graphic content, and after months of being fine, they suddenly decided to start age restricting the videos. When this happens, YouTube stops pushing videos out and the views suddenly crash. This video went from 15,000 views per day to 1,500 in less than 48 hours, and it's still going down. In a nutshell, YouTube is becoming more vanilla when it comes to monetization. They care about money first, so they only want content they can put any type of ads on. So ask yourself this question: would Disney or Coca-Cola want to run ads on your videos? If the answer is no or maybe, then your channel isn't future-proof and you risk losing ad revenue down the line. The goal of YouTube automation is to build long-term assets, and although ads aren't the only or even the best way to make money, you don't want to needlessly lose a revenue stream. This is a business after all. I know trending or polarizing topics go viral more easily and explode channels, but they are wide open to the ever-changing world of public opinion and what's okay and what's not. If advertisers pull their ads or complain, then YouTube will make changes. So right now, I personally wouldn't start any more channels in the men's relationship niche. Other niches to avoid are the compilation niches, where you use other people's content. A good example of these are TikTok compilations, funny pet videos, memes, and some tech channels. You just won't get monetized anymore if you use other people's content. You really need to add value and repurpose videos to make them more original. YouTube doesn't want people filling the platform with the same content. Reaction videos and compilation videos with voiceovers are still allowed, but I could see things getting more and more difficult soon. YouTube will keep pushing for more original content as creators switch to faceless channels. It's unlikely that they will completely block these types of channels, but they will be seen as lower quality for ads and will probably get more restrictions in future. So I would personally avoid these types of channels moving forward. The next type of channel I would avoid are general channels. These are the large, broad types of channels like Bestie or Brightside. Many YouTube automation experts use these as examples of massive and profitable faceless channels. It's not that these channels don't work, it's that they take a very long time to grow. This is due to the fact that not all content will be relevant to the subscriber. If you subscribe to a channel for their health videos, then you may not be interested in their videos on relationships or pets. To grow quickly on YouTube and leverage recent changes to the algorithm, you want to be niching down as much as possible, at least in the beginning. So avoid channel ideas that are too broad or cover multiple niches. Ask yourself if each video on your channel is made for the same person. You want people to binge watch your content. Think of this like someone binge watching a series on Netflix versus watching the first episode of many. If people enjoy a video, they will be more likely to want more of the same and not something completely different. With that said, if you would like more in-depth step-by-step YouTube automation training, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.